In this video, I will show you how to create a seamless Instagram carousel in Canva. So the first thing you need to do is click on create, and then after that, search for Instagram. And then you can choose between the size of like this 3 by 4, 4 by 5, and square. So for example, I will choose this square, which is 1080 times 1080, and then go to calculator. For example, I will post a 4 post in Instagram. So 1080 times 4 equal 4320. And then after that, I will click on custom size, and then on width, I will type 4320. In height, I will type 1080, and then after that, click on create new design. Then click on file, click on settings, click on add guides, click on custom, and then here change to 4, and then the gap change it to 0, and then click on add guides, and you will see it has a 4 columns. And then I will design this. I will show you the example, the final result. And then after that, click on apps, and then click on split. Search for split, and then click on image splitter, click on open, click on export design, and then choose PNG, click on export, and then in number of rows, make it 1 only, and then in number of columns, make it 4. Then click on split image. And then here you will see it has a 4 image. Click on pages, click on this, click on social media, and then search for Instagram, and then click on the size that you want. So for example, I will choose this square, and then after that, in image 1, I will click on add to design, and then I will drag this to make it as background, and then I will repeat this on the 3 image. So I will post a 4 image on Instagram. That's why we create a 4 column like that. And then once you finish, click on file again, and then click on settings, then click on show rollers, and then click on share, click on downloads, then choose PNG, and then select page and don't include the page 1, and then click on done, and then click on download. And that's it. That's how you create a carousel in Instagram. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.